Yeah, that's a wrap. Like, this is true Hollywood vibes. Like, wow, I did this. Doing intros is so hard, but okay, y'all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Whatever time this video was reaching you, I hope it's reaching you in the place of love, happiness, and all that good stuff. And if it's not, I'm bringing it to you. It's your girl Jay, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, as you can tell, I'm about to get real cute. I'm about to stop looking bald head by the head, and I'm about to slay my best friend. Who's my best friend, you may ask? Best friend, stop being shy. She a little nervous. You know how people be when they don't really do YouTube like that. Come on, girl. You ain't chill. She be so extra. Come, girl. You look good, okay? Anyways, y'all. My best friend and I about to get hooked up. I pee and corridor and all that good stuff. Before we get into it, you already know the basics. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button wherever it is. I think it's like right here, but it just might be right here. If you want to catch my slay on how I do my makeup or whatever for this look, go ahead and hit and make sure that you share this video. It's real quick, like literally just hit the share button. You can either hit share and then hit your social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever it is that you be on, and then boom, share, write a little post. Oh my God, check her out. Boom, simple as that. It takes 0 cents to support your shares. Simple. Okay, first things first, because I'm not even trying to be here all day, not even playing. We just about to go ahead and get straight into it. So I got my wig cap on, as y'all see, and I'm about to, of course, tint it, put my foundation on it or whatever. I actually almost always use powder, but I used to use liquid, and actually what's really popular right now is cream, but I don't have any cream my color. So I'm like, okay, well, let's just go back to liquid and see if it treats us like how cream does other hairstylists, installers, social media influencers, whatever you want to call them, but the other girls that install their wigs on the internets. This really ain't even nothing new for y'all. I got so many videos on me installing a wig. However, I do get better with time, so of course that's why we're going to keep updating our install videos, because baby, if I'm better, you need to get better. It be so simple too. I swear to God, putting on wigs be so simple. But of course, I was thinking it was simple when my wigs used to look like. Anywho, I wanted this to be like a chit chat, get ready with me, so it could be like a whole vibe. You know what I'm saying? So you can like feel me, a real close experience with your girl. Jay. So boom, we got that going. And honestly, I got a side part, but I don't, where's my side part at? This side. Let's just make sure we got enough. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So yeah, we did the cap, and I just went and got my scissors and my razor so I could like take that extra lace that was on my lace front off or whatever. This wig has been worn already, y'all know what I'm saying? So I just recustomized it, and I had to just get rid of that extra lace. You see, hold on. I just freshly cut this lace all choppy and shit, so it'll have a more natural effect when it lay. All right, so anywho, now that we got the basics and the seriousness out the way, how y'all been? Like, how your week been? I'm recording this video on a Thursday, and I'm gonna just keep it all the way honest with y'all. Like, yeah, my week was going so well, you know, progressing. We just relaunched the YouTube channel again and all that good stuff. And then next thing you know, I got all these different card ears. Like every single card that I own is just like tripping out on me. Like, so right now I'm just trying on my wig to see how the girl gonna slay when the girl slay. I'm about to just, you know what I'm saying, put this damn glue on or whatever. But first of all, get into these nails. Let's, hold on. Cause, hold on, but right now, I'm trying to do a different technique where I just work in sections. So I'm gonna put the glue all in this one section. we're gonna smear it in with our rat tail comb, and make sure that you know what I'm saying, your scalp and all that, or your skin rather, your forehead surface area, make sure all that is good, and try your best to keep all your extra hairs out the way, cause girl, this shit irritating. Y'all, I just want to be successful. Like, okay, you say you got your LLC, boom. So what you gonna do with that LLC, Jay? That's what y'all probably asking me, right? Well, trust me, I got you. Like, we gonna have a whole entrepreneur series, like, all up and through it. Well, first off, let me tell you this. We are Pretty Babes Hustle. Pretty Babes Hustle represents females who stay on their grind, stay hustling no matter what it is, whether you keeping you a couple of jobs while you got your, you know, you working on your business, and then you got your hands in a couple other little things that help you make money to fund your business and fund your life and all that good stuff. You just stay consistent and you stay going and you persevere and you push through any bullshit that be coming your way, cause honey, Pretty Babes Hustle, that's what my brand represents. The everyday woman that's on her grind and she does her thing. So what does the everyday woman need? What does she want? Luxury items. What does she love? Makeup. What she love? Hair, wigs, weave, extensions, whatever you want to call it. So that's what Pretty Babes Hustle is. It's a luxury cosmetic and hairline. Okay, take 2. Doing voiceovers and videos is so annoying, but it's okay. It's all good because it's what I do. Anywho, this one I had to start fast forwarding, y'all, because I was going to talk y'all ears to death, even though, yes, this is a chit chat. This is also watch me install my lace. So let's get more into this lace. Y'all, watch me put the 3 layers of glue on my forehead. So that's where we at. Excuse me, I'm very tired. So yeah, we put the 3 layers of glue on my forehead, let it dry up clear, and now we're pressing that lace in, and then now you see me doing my side. So I did the middle first, and then we're going to do one side, then the other side, and then just keep doing the 3 layers and pressing it in. It's really kind of self-explanatory. You can just kind of watch me, see what I'm doing. You literally watch me step by step add the glue on my forehead, so it's the exact same process on the sides. So, yeah, I'm about to kick back and just watch this video, see if there's anything else I need to edit, of course. And y'all just go ahead and watch, take notes, get your notepad, note pens, and, you know, all that good jazz, and pay attention. So all I did, I started killing this wig stuff, like this install. Oh, my God, I'm so in love with my skills on this one. But, yeah, y'all just keep watching. Okay, so this is when I removed my little neck strip, and I just wanted to show y'all what it was looking like. It was melted, it was looking good. I do go in off camera and take off some more additional lace, but yeah, I was excited, and I was just pointing at the extra glue on my skin, but I'm going to get rid of that. But yeah, just wanted to let y'all know. Right here is kind of some behind the scene footage of when I'm doing like my TikToks, and I think I was on Facebook Live too, actually. So it was real hectic, but I got it on camera so you can see the real insight of what it's like being a influencer. Like, if there's something you want to do and make content, like, this is why your favorite people's on the net end up disappearing. It gets hectic, but I done disappeared so many times. I'm tired of disappearing. I'm ready to be consistent, and yeah, showing that work ethic. Catch me. But I'm using my press comb to help just keep making the frontal look more and more and more scalpiana like it's growing straight out of the scalp, and get ready to cut up them baby hairs and I was about to say fold them in. What the fuck? Get ready and lay them boys in. Lay swoop a doop doop. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so you know we gotta add our pressed powder in so we can have everything blending and looking more and more like scalp. Everything is just a step extra in measurement to make that thing look like scalp. I mean, I can't stress it enough. Gotta make that lace look like scalp. Gotta make that thing look like scalp. Scalpiana is what the goal is. As y'all see in this video, every clip further and further and further down the line, this shit just get hot. I ain't gonna lie to you, this shit piping hot as hell. And you gonna see in the next clip, I think it's the next clip, but you gonna see after I realize I slayed the fuck out this wig, I'm gonna be in shock. You gonna see. I'll be back, cause you gonna see. But look at my face, it's so cute and natural. Ooh, but that beat though. Okay, let me find out. I need to do some makeup. Makeup will be coming on my booking site. Stay tuned. But look at that. It's just took that scarf off again after putting the pressed powder on my scalp, and oh my gosh, babe.
Boy, if you don't get
this cute. Ooh, yes. Can we just get into it? Yeah. Wow. Can't believe I did this. Ooh, yeah, it's a whole vibe for me. Yeah, that's cute. Wow. First off, y'all gotta give me my credit on this one. I ain't gonna lie to you. You gotta give me my credit. Wow. She did that like Scalpiana. Wow. Like, wow. Y'all gotta give me my props. Like, I slayed this install. Like, what is you talking about? Celebrity stylist who? Say nah. Let me stop playing. But this is so cute. Y'all gotta give me a like. Gotta give me the thumbs up. Like, you have to. It's a must. You gotta go down in the description box and find my links for my socials and find this picture. Find all this footage for this look and like it up. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more slayage like this, because this is a whole vibe. Get into it, get into it. And then make sure that you, like I said, add me on my socials, like this video, add me on my TikTok, my Instagram, all that. Do all that. Check the description box. You might find something that you want. Find something that you need, sis. And these are my lashes from my lash brand. I'm talking about my lash brand, my lash line, Pretty Babe's Hustle. So these are not available for sale yet, but it's a sneak peek. Yeah, that's a wrap. Like, this is true Hollywood vibes. Like, wow. All right, y'all. Out. Bye.